What's up, guys? You're watching the Shawn Nicklaus channel. About 9 months ago, I posted a video on how to display all your loose cards on the wall. I know these aren't my loose cards. We'll check that out here in a second, but it's about time that I replace those and upgrade to something bigger and better. But before we check out the new displays, I want to show you guys what I was using previously. I was using these cheap Plano cases. They were $8.88 on Amazon. I have no idea what they're going for now, but these are a cheap alternative if you're trying to put your loose cards up on the wall. They have two little holes right there that you can put a screw into and slide this in and put on the wall. In my case, I just have them set up here, just loose like this, so I can move this up and down. So when I do showcases, if I want to sit down, if I want to stand up, I can do that. The new displays are going to look 10 times better, and they hold a lot more cards. They hold 65 cards total, and this only holds 24. And this is a cheap alternative if you're trying to, just put something in a small area, but it doesn't look that great. It looked kind of like something I would put my fishing lures in. Let's check out the new display. So I went ahead and ordered the Mascar Ultima display, and I got it in white. There's a couple different color variations that you can get this in. You can get it in clear, you can get it in black, you can get it in white. So there's a ton of different displays for you guys to choose from. Also, there is a carded display too that I know of, and I'm sure there's more on the website. You guys need to go check it out. I will have a link in my description for the display, so make sure you go ahead and use my link. That'll help support the channel. Awesome, look at that beauty. 65 cards in total that it will display. And look, they go together like this, so it's easy to ship, and it's gonna be a lot cheaper to ship too than a big heavy glass display case. So this is awesome. See, they got two right there. And also, look, it comes with the screws. How nice is that? So this is gonna be very easy to hang, and it also has a dust cover right here. It's got two clear dust covers to keep it protected from, your kids coming in and grabbing your cars. And this is very sturdy plastic. Let's get this all cleaned up, get those display cases out of the way, those old hunk of junk, and let's let the new displays shine. So I guess I'm kind of oblivious. I didn't even realize they gave me an awesome t-shirt. Thank you, Mascar Displays, for the shirt. Check out the back. This is awesome. Now let's go ahead and install the displays. All right, guys, I think we're ready to get this thing screwed in. I like to have it a little bit low so that I can back out the desk and also be able to go up and down to show different cards on the display case for different showcase videos. I think that's gonna be so cool. So let's go ahead and get this thing screwed in. So now that we got it installed, you can just see how much better it looks, and it's just infinity. Look how many cars I can fit up here. It's so cool. And also, like I mentioned earlier, I'll be able to lower it and also put cars down here. So if I want to have different cars for the showcase, I can do that. This is going to be a game changer for my showcases. Shout out to Mascar Displays. This is freaking awesome. If you guys want to order this, make sure you use my link to order it. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this thing up with a bunch of beauties. One thing I do want to point out too is there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars in a row that you can fit there. So if you think about it, there's 1 out of 5 on car culture. So you can fit a whole car culture series in one row. Sweet stuff. All right, guys, that's a wrap. This looks absolutely amazing. Now, if you want to keep your cars safe from your kids or just anybody touching your cars or just even keeping dust off them, they provide a dust cover that goes right over it, and it just easily clicks right in. Now, I'm personally not going to be using this because it does reflect light on it for my videos, but this is a great thing to keep your cars safe from all your kids or anybody just coming over that wants to just grab them and potentially drop them. So these are sweet cases. I highly recommend them. Like I mentioned earlier, if you want to buy them, use the link in my description. It'll help the channel out. And I hope to hear from you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.